In today's video, we're going to be giving you 7 points talking about the new done-for-you passive income opportunity from Dawud Islam, and it's only set up at a upfront price of $1. So let's take a quick look. Alright, so in this video over here to my right, your left, is Dawud Islam, and he will be explaining this new passive income opportunity for you, and we're going to hit the main points right here. First one being that all you're going to need to do, simple, beginner friendly, tech friendly, just paste a single link into a box. Now, I will tell you that there are specific instructions inside of this program that you will want to watch the videos, and they're only a couple minutes long, so that you know exactly what the link is, where to go get it, and how to fill out the correct form. Okay, 100% front-end commission. So we're going to be purchasing this product for $1. And once it is in the system and it is promoted, if somebody is on your link and decides to purchase, then you're going to get 100% that $1 back. All right. So this takes care of a couple of different things. Number one, we're going to be putting this link in front of buyer traffic, and that's the best traffic that you can have online. People are opening up their billfold, even if it's only for $1, and buying this product. And number two, we are going to put you in an opportunity to be in profit quickly. So with a 100% front-end commission, if anybody does is buys the $1 intro price, then you're going to make that $1 back, and then anything after that is going to be profit. Okay, you are in profit after your first sale. We just covered that. No promoting needed. Okay, ever. Yes, I am promoting through our videos because this is what we work with on JBNet Marketing Tips. We bring platforms and review them, systems and review them, traffic offers and review them. But you technically do not need to promote this system if you don't want to. It's a self-promoting system within Dawud's numerous different sites that he owns and operates, and all of the membership that he has, which is multiple thousands at this time. Okay, no experience needed. Perfect for newbies. We mentioned that just a moment ago. Guaranteed approval to be able to promote it. We are going to be purchasing this system from within Warrior Plus, and let me get that off of there. Inside Warrior Plus here, you're going to find numerous products from vendors from all over the world. Dawud is a vendor in the top 10% of the Warrior Plus products. Here's an award for being a top 25% affiliate, and he's an elite vendor, and vendor has had at least seven featured offers. Okay, so he's well known in the community and has put out numerous products, all of them being mostly simple to join, simple to use traffic products, and he is currently running with his done-for-you model, $1 done-for-you systems here for the last couple of products that he puts out. He normally brings out 2 new products per month. I usually try to grab at least 1 per month, and but since he's been doing the $1 one, it's very easy to pick up the other ones as well as we go through. All right, let me switch back over here real quick. All right, so this really does make a ultimate no risk and no brainer opportunity. You're only investing $1, and when this sells, you're going to get your $1 back in commissions through Warrior Plus. Anything after that, you're in profit. So, as we just said, just one single dollar gets you started. All right, let's go look at these extra points real quick. Passive income opportunity. So once you're in and it's up and running, you don't have to do anything else with it. If it sells within the system, then you've made money without having to do anything. Again, fast setup, 3 to 5 minutes tops. Make sure to watch the videos and do exactly as the videos instruct. They're quick videos, and you have to follow and get the exact system set up exactly how he wants you to set it up. Very quick and easy. Don't worry about it. No monthly memberships. This is not a recurring system. On a monthly membership situation, you're not going to be paying $1 every month. It is a high ticket commission possible up to $149 with no need to buy. And this is one of the reasons that we really like a lot of the Warrior Plus products, because many times you do not have to purchase the upgrades or the upsells, but if somebody else does that went through your link, you're still going to get a commission for that. Sorry, wrong screen. It's again, perfect for beginners. Sorry. Perfect for beginners without an audience. Why is it perfect? Because it's only $1. It's easy to promote, and you don't have to promote it. It promotes itself, okay, within the system. And when you watch the video, Dawud's going to explain how the system works within his systems, okay? Seven-figure earner, promoting your link on autopilot. Okay, I didn't type that in there correctly. Seven-figure earner, promoting your link. So yeah, Dawud is a seven-figure earner, and he's putting it into the he's putting this link into the rotation of all of his sites. And as that goes through, and your link will be seen, then if somebody clicks on it and it's your link and they purchase, you're all set. Number 7, this is important. My bonus to help you promote this done-for-you system is going to be my 4-step video blueprint. Now, as I explained, you do not have to spend extra time promoting this system. However, if you want to, if you already have a YouTube channel and you're putting reviews, platform reviews on it, or anything like that, as we do, or if you just want to give yourself a little extra oomph there for putting out and promoting a system like this, then what I'm going to do is tell you to go down into the comments and simply put in video training into the comments. Okay, with that, when you do that, I will send you a link, and you will be able to grab our training, our 4-step video blueprint training, to learn how to do videos. And then you can also join us on Thursday nights, 8:30 Eastern, for my free Zoom call. And we basically talk about YouTube channel growth, how to grow it as an affiliate marketer, as a e-commerce person, as somebody just wanting to get started with YouTube and see where it leads you. Doesn't matter. We talk YouTube channel growth and the steps that you can take to learn more about YouTube. So grab this basic system here for $1, and then on this video, go ahead and put video training down in the comments, and I will get that link to you. I'll just re-comment and send that link over to you so that you can get the 4-step video blueprint to go with it. And if you're new to YouTube or new to this type of video, the 4-step video blueprint is doing everything that we just did right here on this video. So it's that simple. It doesn't take, you don't have to be an actor. You don't have to have high tech. You see, this video is not real great. You just need to be able to put the content together and put it in a 4-step system, and you'll be ready to go. All right, as we finish up here real quick, I do hope you go ahead and join and go ahead and grab this system for only $1, and you will need to be a Warrior Plus marketer. Okay, so just go ahead and start it. It's free to join Warrior Plus. And once you come in here and you decide that yes, you want to grab this $1 offer, it'll take you into Warrior Plus and walk you through all the steps. Again, beginner friendly. Just take your time and go through everything, and we will get you started with this. And you can also put the video training down below in the comments, and we'll get you set up with the 4-step video blueprint as well. My name is Jeff, and if this is the first time to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. And if you have any questions, please use that comment section, ask questions, reach out to me, and I will get back to you ASAP. In the meantime, we'll see you on the next video.